Hi guys, today we are going to add an Instagram account to our TikTok account. First, open your TikTok app. Then go to your profile by clicking this icon. Second, click Edit Profile and tap Instagram. You will be routed to a different page where you will ask to enter your Instagram's information. Enter your username and password. After that, you may hit login. Once you will be routed to this page, you may click allow, so TikTok will have your Instagram's information. After that, you will be back to your TikTok's profile. You can see there an Instagram's logo, that's your account. Everyone who visits your TikTok profile can click this logo and they will be redirected automatically to your Instagram account. And that's how we add Instagram account to our TikTok account.